Hello. Welcome to the podcast.
Hello, I am happy to be here.
Today we are at a coffee shop.
Yes, this place looks very nice. It is calm and quiet.
I like coffee shops like this.
Me too. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Daniel. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. What about you?
No, I come here sometimes. The coffee is very good here.
That sounds great. I really need coffee today.
Me too. I am very tired. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I went to bed very late.
That is not good.
I know. I need more sleep.
Same here. Let's look at the menu.
Okay. I see coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and juice. I think I want coffee.
Me too. What kind of coffee do you like?
I like coffee with milk.
I like black coffee.
Black coffee is very strong.
Yes, it is. But I like the taste.
That is nice. Do you want something to eat too?
Yes, maybe. I see sandwiches, cake, cookies, and croissants. I like croissants.
Me too. They smell very good.
Yes, they do. Excuse me, can we order, please?
Of course. What would you like?
I would like a large coffee with milk, please.
Okay. And you?
I would like a black coffee, please.
Small or large?
Large, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I would like one croissant.
Okay. And for you?
I would like chocolate cake, please.
I'm sorry. We are out of chocolate cake.
Oh, really?
Yes, I am sorry.
That is okay. Do you have cheesecake?
Yes, we do.
Great. I will take one cheesecake.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay. Please wait a few minutes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The people here are very friendly.
Yes, they are. I like the atmosphere here.
Me too. The music is very soft.
Yes, it is relaxing. I like quiet places.
Me too. Sometimes coffee shops are very noisy.
That is true. But this place is peaceful.
Yes, it is. Look at that table near the window. It looks comfortable. Maybe next time I will try the hot chocolate. And I will try the cookies. Good idea. I heard the cookies are very good here. Then we need to come back. Definitely. Excuse me, can we pay, please? Of course. Here is the bill. Thank you. Can I pay by card? Yes, no problem. Great. Here is my card. Thank you. Payment accepted. Perfect. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice evening. You too. Well, that was very nice. Yes, I had a great time. Me too. Thank you for the conversation. Thank you for listening to me. It was really nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you too. Let's come back here again soon. Definitely. Thank you for listening. Practice listening every day. See you next time.